In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Android Studio. We'll keep this simple and practical, so you can move from a design to code without headaches. Start by opening the Figma file that contains the designs you want to turn into Android-ready code. Make sure you're in the correct file and on the right page or frame, especially if your project has multiple screens. It helps to have your layers tidy and named clearly, because clean structure in Figma usually results in cleaner code generation. Next, look at the bottom panel in Figma and click the Actions control to bring up more options. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where we'll access the tool that bridges your design with Android code. If you don't see it right away, give the panel a second to load and make sure you're in the design file rather than a prototype preview. In the Plugins and Widgets search field, type Upspeed. You're looking for the Upspeed plugin that converts Figma layers into Android code. Open it, and when prompted, connect your Figma account. You'll likely see a permission screen asking the plugin to read the file you have open. Approve the request so the plugin can scan your layers. If your organization uses teams or shared projects, ensure you have access rights to the file, or the plugin won't be able to read it properly. With the plugin connected, select all the layers you want to convert. You can select an entire frame to export a whole screen, or pick specific components if you're testing a smaller piece. A quick tip: verify that your constraints, auto layout, and spacing are set correctly in Figma. These details often map to layout structure on Android, and they make the generated code far easier to maintain. Also, keep text styles and color styles consistent to produce reusable tokens. When you're ready, click Generate in Upspeed. The plugin will process your selection and output Android code along with any assets it needs. Depending on your setup, this may include layout files and exported images or vectors. Let the plugin finish, then review the results. You can copy the code or download the package it provides. At this point, you have what you need to bring the output into Android Studio and wire it up to your project logic. That's it. Open your Figma file, access the Actions panel, launch plugins and widgets, search and open Upspeed, connect your account, select the layers you want, and hit Generate. You've just turned design into Android-ready code with a few clicks.